here today at Heathrow Airport. As a company, we look after major aircraft and engines. Our line of work is very hectic, so every day is changing and challenging. Cordless tools is so much easier than having leads trailing all over the floor. The battery life on them is so good that you could just take one battery out of the stores and use it, and you know you've got enough battery power in there to actually do the task. When you're working with an aircraft, access is always key. Milwaukee tools are quite compact and they get the job done. It's just really heavy duty stuff and really good to use.